Hey Dad, what are we doing?
Hey, we're moving into Tut today. Kind of the first introductory people moving in. We're doing RA stuff, so we're just gonna knock it out. We're gonna get a cart. First thing, get a cart.
Oh yeah. Okay, so we're moving in. We found a packing cube. What are some tips and tricks for moving, Dad?
Oh my gosh, that cart up there is a must-have. If you don't find one, see somebody that's using one, pay them $10, bribe them. It's a dad's duty to get a cart at all costs.
This is great. The move-in process is going really smoothly.
Don't be late. Get your car parts up front. There's gonna be so many cars when you move in. You gotta get here early. All right, biggest for the last.
Biggest for the last.
Go.
Let's roll. Uh-oh. Rolling. Oh, I got that, Dad. So we got our bike lock, and then we're gonna pump the bike, and we're still doing some construction, but we're gonna take it over to the sorority parking deck over here and park it for the night.
Properly inflated tires is a necessity when you're on the campus of Alabama, especially if you're going to Tut. So I've been pumping for a while, and the tires have very little pressure in them, so I'm clearly doing something wrong. So what I want you to do is not what I'm doing, I want you to do it right, and that probably would be investing in a better pump.
So we just pumped up the tires. It's the first ride of the season, so let's give it a spin.
How'd it feel?
Felt pretty good.
What's the tire pressure like?
Tire pressure's good. It's firm, not too firm though.
Yeah, you think it's gonna be safe? Are you?
I think it's gonna be safe. Hopefully there's no accidents like last year.
So you had an incident right outside Tut, right? What happened there?
Well, I was at this intersection over here, and there was a girl in the in the bike lane, and I ran into her,
Yeah.
and she didn't fall down, and I did, and the bike was completely at a 90-degree angle, like
Yeah.
the wheel and everything was straight. But FedEx man came and helped me from the intersection, so.
We are
Now that we have extension cords to plug in the fans.
All right.
we
didn't
so hopefully,
previously.
we don't die of heat exhaustion.
All right, let's do it.
All right, tip for new Tut move-in. Simply, do not ever.
My biggest tip for move-in is to make sure you label all of your boxes that you move in, or basically just everything. My biggest tip is don't bring a U-Haul full of stuff. You will not fit it in your dorm, trust me.
My biggest tip, wear closed-toed shoes. You don't want to jam your toes.
All right, you heard it here first, ladies.